So hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your DoorDash account. Now if you want to delete your DoorDash account, you can cancel any active DashPass subscriptions, clear pending deliveries, and use the account settings online or within the app. So starting off, if you want to delete a customer account, you will first need to cancel your DashPass if you have one. So having a DashPass is a way to get a premium subscription for your Dash account. So DoorDash supports that, as I mentioned, DashPass subscription service. So go to your membership settings and cancel any active subscriptions first. So once you're here, you can see your DashPass or membership account and just make sure to cancel that. From that, you can log in through your manage account on here. So you can see manage your account option and you can click on delete. So once you click on manage from this page, you will need to log back in, and from that point you will be able to manage it fully. In that case, you can delete your account, enter the security text code sent to your phone, and confirm it within the app or website. Doesn't really matter. You can delete it both on the web as well as within the app. So there's some important requirements. So no active orders. If you've ordered something, you need to cancel that order or wait for it to arrive, because you can't delete your account in the middle of an order. And deleting your account erases your personal data from their active systems. So it's really important that you're 100% sure of your decision. So you can also talk to their customer service if you want to delete your Dasher account as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share a video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.